Knock knock.
Hello, I'm Soumya and you're watching The Global Tales. So as you all know that I started my weight loss journey in 2013 and I am able to manage my weight since 8 years now. Not only that, I have become a certified weight management specialist now and have transformed about 10,000 girls and helped them in managing their weight as well. So what's the trick? Nothing major, just basic lifestyle changes, some basic secrets that you can incorporate in your life to manage your weight and get some great results. So yes, let's get started. Science. Science is what we have to focus on. The science says that weight loss happens when you consume less calories than you actually burn them. So this is the basic science, and when it comes to weight management, you have to just consume as much calories as you take, then you burn. This is the simple and the basic science, but I understand that you cannot always calculate the calories you eat or calculate the amount of calories you burn when you do the exercise. But the idea is to be aware of the fact that how many calories you can burn when you walk for an hour, how many calories are you burning when you're not doing anything. Just to read, to gather knowledge, how many calories are there in your meal will actually help you stay aware and manage your weight.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So this is what we all do. We actually are so busy our lifestyle, we think that we can actually take this also for granted. You know, your digestion begins when you start chewing. You have to be mindful that when you enjoy your food, it actually gives you a great results in a longer term. And weight management secret is to eat them slowly. Now I know how to eat it very slowly, it gets very difficult. So only hack is just make sure that when you start at 12, you enjoy it till 12:30. You will not going to complete your meal before 12:30. So just give 30 minutes and you are done. So yes, slowly and steadily enjoy your food and give it at least 30 minutes. Hydration plays a very important role. So when you are hydrated enough, you won't feel hungry all the time. It is very important to keep you full and you maintain that calorie deficit and maintain your weight as well. So be it liquids, be it water, be it any kind of juices, even the fruit that have high amount of water in them is really important for you. So yes, more water you intake, more you will feel hydrated and more you will feel full all the time. But if you're someone who finds it hard to keep up with their hydration level because of their hectic schedule, you can definitely give a try to this Get Slim juice from Kapiva. Now, disclaimer. Very important, nothing in this world alone can make you lose weight or burn fat. You have to exercise regularly, you have to eat clean. This is what needs to be done. But all these things like this, like a Kapiva Get Slim juice, will help you keep up with your hydration level by boosting your metabolism, by boosting your digestive process, by actually keeping a movement of the intestinal muscles. It actually prevents constipation. That's what is important, and that's what we are looking for when it comes to weight management. So yes, you can definitely give it a try. So it is a blend of some amazing Ayurvedic herbs like Irandamul, Daru, Haridra and Sanj Beej. All of them in various quantities, like various quantities, actually help in boosting the metabolism and digestion process and helps you maintain your weight by suppressing your caloric requirement by making you feel full for a longer period of time. So yes, it's very easy to consume as well. You just have to take a 30 ml shot of Kapiva Get Slim juice and add it to about 200 ml of water. So this is something that I will recommend for people who are not able to keep up with their digestion and the metabolism process and want to actually maintain it. It is really helpful. 30 ml of this shot. We add 200 ml of water. Mix it well together. And yes, this can be your amazing morning drink and definitely will boost your digestion, metabolism, will keep you full for longer. That's what we need when it comes to weight management. So yes, try it for yourself. Link would be there in my description. Do you know that what actually makes you hunger for unwanted junk food? It's your hunger. When you're not eating the right thing at right time, you will feel hungry. It's because of that not keeping up with a good amount of food at that particular meal, you feel hungry, you feel crave for unwanted junk food. So focus on slow digesting fiber that keeps you full for longer. They do not digest quickly. They remain in your body. They give you energy and you don't feel quickly hungry. So that's the science behind that. When you invest in slow digesting fiber, your calorie deficit is easy to maintain, because for the same number of calories, you're not getting hungry very quickly and you are able to maintain and keep up with the energy pace also. Whole wheat grains, focusing on millets, oats, all these things are really good for your body. Slow digesting fiber is must when you want to manage your weight in your weight loss journey. You know, biology has all its answers. You need not to set any schedule or a clock for yourself. Your body does it for you. If you start eating on the same time every day, you will actually feel hungry on that particular time every day. For example, for me, I have set my dinner time for 7 o'clock. So no matter where I am in the world, I'll feel hungry at 7 every time, every day. My dinner time is like that. So your body has its own biological clock set. You need not to worry about anything else. Just give it as a consistent pattern. So eat on that particular time every day and you will develop that pattern for yourself. You will feel hungry at that particular time. Your body will demand food and you will give it to that particular time. Then you will get some great results when it comes to weight management. So yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you will find it useful. What you all need to do is just follow these tips and incorporate it into lifestyle. And I hope you will get some great results when it comes to weight management. Yes, weight loss is one thing and then managing it for years is really important. You can do it by following these few tips. I hope you will find them useful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon along to never miss any update. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye. Stay fit, stay happy.